Hilfe, help. Do you need help?
Hi everyone and welcome to DeutschFlicks. I'm Basant, a passionate German language trainer, and I'm excited to help you start your journey to learning German. Many of you might know me from my Instagram where I use short movie clips to explain real life German vocabulary and expressions. Why? Because language isn't about textbooks, it's about real life conversations and culture. And here on YouTube, I am taking it a step further with my German A1 series, designed especially for beginners and anyone looking to refresh their basics. So, what can you expect from this series? There will be everyday vocabulary, so you'll learn words and phrases that you will actually use, and real life context, so you'll see how native speakers talk in movies and daily life.
Ja, man kann das Pferd zum Wasser ziehen, aber nicht zum Ertrinken zwingen. Nicht ertrinken, trinken. Es ist trinken.
You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make him drink. And there will be step-by-step lessons, so no fluff, no confusion, just clear and easy to follow German. And you can also write along with me because I'll be using a whiteboard, so you can take handwritten notes with me. And at last, extra knowledge drops, so little things that textbooks don't always tell you, because knowing the why behind German makes learning easier. So whether you're just starting out or want to level up your German game, I have got your back. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a lesson. And let's learn German together in a fun, engaging and authentic way right here on DeutschFlicks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the first lesson.